What's going on, my friends? Cool Andy here, Cool Andy and my baby Kai. And today's 11 days old. He's sleeping. And he said that he's hungry, but he's not, because as you can see, he has food in there. So I'm not feeding you yet. You need to go through that food first. Look at these guys. It is a beautiful baby bird, baby parrot. You need to stay like that to get comfy, to get used to it. Oh, such a nice baby you are. Such a nice baby. Look at how beautiful, guys. Enough of being sideways. Upside down. Upside down. Give me that feet. I want your feet. It's so nice when they're like this. I love it when they're like, look, he's trying to push with his wings. Look. There he go. Ay, no puede. These are pieces of his shell still. Little pieces of shells and food. But he's very clean. And he's doing fine. And he's healthy. And he eats every 3-4 hours. And such a beautiful baby bird that Cool Dandy likes to raise so much. 11 days old. Look at that little feet, guys. Look at that. Look at it. Yummy little bird. I think it's gonna be a female. Alright, my guys, this is the day, 11 days old. So I'll make a new video tomorrow when he's 12 days old. And more bigger. And healthier. And here with me, hanging around. So GG, and I'll see you in the next one.